Hey guys, this is Sharad with REsimpli. This is a quick video on how to link up your REsimpli account with other applications using Zapier. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to accept Zapier, REsimpli Zapier invitation. This is the URL. We'll also post it in comments. Then you're going to log into your REsimpli account, and then you're going to see a page like this. I'm going to pause the video and log in and kind of show you what it does. Okay guys, so once you log in, you're going to see this. You have been invited to use REsimpli on Zapier. So you're going to go ahead and accept invite and build a Zap. Then you're going to come to your Zapier page. Then you're going to click on make a Zap. Okay. And then choose app and event. So this will be where you want your Zapier data, your data to come from. So in my example, I'm going to use Mojo, but you can use Facebook or any other platform that integrates with Zapier. So I'm going to use Mojo. I'm going to do Mojo. And in this case, you're going to select the trigger. What I am going to do is I'm going to say, okay, anytime a contact is added to a group, I'm going to do this, click on continue. And then I'm going to click on my Mojo. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, log in, and I'll show you what it does. Okay guys, I've logged into my Mojo account, and then I'm going to click on continue. And I'm going to say choose value because I selected a group. So I'm going to say anytime I move a lead to hot lead, I want it to be pushed to create a Zap. So I'm going to click on continue. And then I'm going to test my trigger. So it's going to pull the data from hot lead. Okay, so this is the one that I'd added. Click on continue. Now this is where you will select REsimpli. So once you have accepted the invitation, you will see this REsimpli 1.0.0 by invite. So you click on it. And then right now, the only thing you can do is create lead. We will be adding other options down the road. But for now, you'll select create lead. That's the action you want. And then you're going to link up your REsimpli account. So you click on sign into REsimpli. It'll open a pop-up window like this that says allow Zapier to access your REsimpli account, and it's going to ask for an API key. So you're going to go back to your REsimpli account. On your top right, you're going to see this option for API token. You click on it. And if this is the first time, it's going to say, you're going to see an option called generate API token. You click on it. It's going to create something like this. You click on copy to clipboard. And then you go back to putting in the API key when you do continue. And then you go back to your Zapier. So it's linked up my account. Now you do continue. So now these are the options that you can import. These match with your REsimpli account. So in this case, I'm going to say full name. I want first name. And I want last name. This is the field Mojo. First name and last name will be full name in REsimpli. And then phone number would be show all the options. Phone number is a required field, so you want to make sure you get that. So I'm going to do primary phone. Okay. And then email. If you have email, then you can do link up your email address. I'm going to email. Okay, another thing that's required is the lead source. So in this case, I know this is cold calling. So I'm going to link up cold calling. And then property address would be my property address here from Mojo. And then I can decide if I have this information coming from Mojo or not. So these are the options that are available to import. And then comments if you have any notes or anything, for example, this. Okay, so I've linked this up and I've done continue. Okay, so I can do test and continue. Phone number is, okay, so if phone number is an empty field, then you'll have to go edit it. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go fix it. And then I'll come back and continue the video. Okay, guys, so once you have done that, actually, I noticed that one of the test leads that we're creating for our testing had phone number blank just for our testing purposes. So I'm going to skip it for now, but you'll see this option Zap is ready now, turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So it's turning on the Zap right now. Okay, and then what I can do is I can do done editing. Okay, so now it's created this Zap. So I'm gonna go to my Zap. So okay, so I'm gonna go into my Mojo now, and I'm gonna push this lead. Let me just make sure it has the phone number. If not, then I'm gonna enter a phone. It has the phone number. But I want to make sure that this is in primary phone number, so it should match. But yeah, let's go ahead and try this. So now I'm gonna go back into my REsimpli leads that I connected. I'm gonna push this. I did assign to anytime I assign a lead to a hot lead, it should create a lead in my account. So I'm gonna go ahead and assign it to hot lead. I'm gonna do assign. Okay, so then when I go back into my REsimpli, I refresh it. Sometimes it can take a couple of minutes. Hey guys, so this is the lead that I pushed from through my Zapier. So when I come back into this, okay, so it created John Nelson. This is the phone number of the lead. So when I go into my hot lead, John Nelson, this is the address. This is the phone number 707-255-1065. It was created by cold calling and June 28th. And then any notes that I had, a voicemail left a message, got copied over. The address didn't come because this is not a complete valid address. And then any other information that I would have copied over would have come into REsimpli. So when you go into activity log, it's going to go into no contact made. So any leads, any tasks that you've added would come here. And it's going to say lead added via Zapier, status set to no contact made. Okay, so this is how you link up your REsimpli account through Zapier with other applications. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much.